Yes, ma'am.
Who will read?
Ma'am, Satvik.
Okay, start.
Swami merely held out his hand again and received two more, and the bell rang. Swami jumped down from the platform with a light heart. Through his hands were smarting, he picked up his books, took out the letter lying in this pocket, and ran to the headmaster's room. He found the door locked. He asked the poem, "Where is the headmaster? Why do you want him? My father has sent a letter for him. He has taken the afternoon off and won't come back for a week. You can give the letter to the assistant headmaster. He will be here now. Who is he? Your teacher Samuel. He will be here in a second." Swaminathan fell from the peace as soon as Swami went home with the letter. Father remarked, "I knew you would not deliver it. You called, I swear out headmaster is one leaf." Swaminathan began. Father replied, "Don't lie. In addition to being a god, Swami held up the envelope and said, "I will give this to the headmaster as soon as the is back." Father snatched it from his hand, tore it up, and thrust it into the waste paper basket under his table. He muttered, "Don't come to one for help, even if Samuel's throatless. You deserve your Samuel."
Okay, so was Swami? I feel that my voice is echoing, but you people are okay. तुम लोगों को ऐसे फीलिंग background noise is coming. Okay, let me. Okay, I am muting everyone. So it's okay now. Only 20 participants are there. So Swami did a lot of things to irritate Samuel so that he could beat him and Swami could justify his father's letter. But what happened? Was he able to deliver the letter to the headmaster? No, he was not able to deliver the letter to the headmaster because the headmaster had taken the afternoon off and assistant headmaster was Samuel himself. So no way of giving any letter to headmaster. So now we will do question answer of chapter 4. What would you like? It should be written on the blackboard, or I am thinking to share screen. Is it? Someone answer me. Unmute yourself and answer me. I am going to share screen and no one will annotate.
Ma'am, share screen.
I am going to share screen. Just I want you people not to okay. Annotation off. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is question number 1?
Swami did not want to go to school because he had headache.
Swami didn't want to go to school because he had headache. This sentence is
Ma'am,
correct
false.
or false?
Ma'am, false.
Yes. So answer is written over here. The sentence is
Yes.
incorrect.
Yes, ma'am.
So next question.
Swami's school
Swami
began at
school
9
began
a.m.
at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Ma'am, false.
Good. Next.
Swami
Samuel taught
Samuel
arithmetic and history to
One
Swami and
student.
his
Okay.
class
Satvik.
fellows.
First Satvik
Ma'am,
will read. After that, who wants to read? Ayush, Ratan. Then Shruti. After that, Aditya Serkar. Sikarwar. Clear? Satvik,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, Ratan, Shruti, Aditya. After that,
Samuel taught
after
arithmetic
that,
and history
Anushansha.
to
And no one will ask me. Question number 1, he is going to read. Satvik. After that,
Swami
Ayush will read one question. Okay, start.
Swami did not want to go to school because he had a headache. False.
Good.
Swami's school began at 9 a.m. False. Samuel taught arithmetic and history to Swami and his class fellows. True. Swami decided to fling the complaint letter written by his father into a gutter. True. Swami was overenjoyed at getting the complaint letter against Samuel. False. Swami reached the school an hour late. False. Samuel had 2 arithmetic periods with Swami's class on Monday. False. Samuel gave Swami 8 cuts of cane. False. Swami delivered the complaint letter to the headmaster after the last bell rang. False.
Good. So next question. एक minute. Why I am not able to? एक मिनट मैं स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑफ कर रही हूँ. I am not able to minimize scroll it. Just a minute. Now it's okay. We check the security features. Okay. Now it's okay. Start. Question number 2. Ayush will start. Question number B.
Answer the following questions in about 30 words each. First, how did Swami's father react when Swami told him that he was not going to school? How different was his reaction from that of Swami's mother? Answer. Swami's
Ma'am, answer
father
बता इसका.
reacted.
What happened? Someone told something. Hans, continue. Ayush, continue. What happened? I think Ayush has some problem. Shruti, you start.
हो गई. Ma'am, you are muted.
Wait, I think connectivity problem was there. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 3. Why didn't Swami hand over the complaint letter to the headmaster in the morning?
Yes.
Answer. Swami didn't hand over the complaint letter to the headmaster in the morning because he was very much confused about Samuel's character. He wanted to get a chance to do something drastic to provoke his teacher Samuel, so that he might do something to justify the letter. Question number 4. Could Swami deliver the complaint letter to the headmaster after the school? Why or why not? Ma'am,
Hmm.
no, Swami couldn't deliver the no, Swami couldn't deliver the complaint letter to the headmaster after the school because the headmaster had taken afternoon off and the assistant headmaster was Samuel himself.
एक मिनट, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देती हूँ इस रीड को. नो, इसको शिफ्ट करने का उपाय. वेट, इसको ही हटाना पड़ेगा, ग्रीड चेंज करना. ओके, but still it is not clear, na? Are you people able?
Ma'am, it is.
It is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
clear.
Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
start. So do you have any doubt in question number 1, 2, 3, and 4?
No, ma'am.
No doubt?
No,
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then wait. Hots. Whose turn is to read Hots?
Shruti Mishra.
Okay, start Shruti.
Swami went to school feeling that he was the worst perjurer on the earth. Describe Swami's feeling at this point. Why did he feel like the worst perjurer? About 60-80 words. Swami felt like the worst perjurer on the earth because he had given a accurate description of Samuel. He couldn't decide how much of what he had said was real and how much was imagined. The more he thought about Samuel, the more he became grieved for him. Actually, Samuel was not such a bad man after all. Life skill. Impression. Ma'am, it is Aditya turn.
yes, ma'am. It's Aditya's turn.
Aditya turn.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Life
but
skill. What
writing-
impression?
Okay, writing skill, Aditya. Life skill, let Shruti speak because she had spoken only 3 lines, 4 lines.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So values is left, writing skill is left. Okay.
Life skill. What impression have you formed of Swami's relation with his father? How should children and their parents behave with each other? I think that Swami does not have a sound and healthy relation with his father. I think that children and their parents should behave with each other in a friendly manner. Parents should listen to their children, understand their feelings, and try to solve their problems. They should show love, care, attention, and spend quality time with each other.
Good. Next, Aditya, start.
Values. Swami gives a very unfair description of Samuel to his father. How would you have behaved had you been in Swami place? Answer. If I had been in the place of Swami, then I would have directly said the truth to my parents.
Okay. Now writing skill also. Actually, writing skill, I have not written question. And here also, I need to change it. So I will be changing it with the help.
Ma'am, there is 2 writing skills. So one will be written by Aditya Sigarwar and other will be by me, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
That will be my
Rajata.
initial
Here we are.
Read.
Here first we will write this writing skill. I will be asking Aditya Agrawal, will you give the starting line? I am going to delete this. What is the question?
Question number A. Imagine that you are
Just
Swami.
wait. I have not written question also. So
Okay.
I think I should write question. Question is, speak.
A.
Hmm.
Imagine that you are Swami.
Wait. Question A.
Imagine that you are Swami.
Imagine that you are Swami. Full stop.
Ma'am, full stop. Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Write a
Write a
diary
diary
entry.
entry
हाँ,
relating
write a diary
Ma'am, you
entry.
have wrote BA.
Oh. हाँ. Write a diary
entry relating your experience.
relating your
Ma'am, U
Experience
is capital.
experience with
with Samuel in the
Samuel in
the school.
the
The school.
school. Spellings are correct? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Huh. So what will be the first line? I don't want to keep these
Date, day and time.
today. हाँ, what will be? It will be started. अच्छा, यहाँ तो गड़बड़ हो गया. हमने question. I have written the question over here. And date time has gone up. Okay, doesn't matter. Once again we will do. Chalo. What is the date? Today?
1
Ma'am,
Friday.
21 May.
1 May.
21 May.
2021.
Friday.
21 May.
May
21st May
21,
2021.
2021. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Fine.
ma'am.
But why it always underlines? Oh, space was required. That's okay. After that, time, day, date, time. Is it it? So, what will be the time? 9.
Ma'am, 9:15.
Oh, chalo. एक minute. 9.
9:30 p.m.
हाँ.
मैम 9:30 p.m. डाल दीजिए.
हाँ, चलो 9:15 लिख दिए तो 9:15 PM. ओके. हाँ, अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारा स्पेस हो गया है तो आई विल हैव टू चलो. When I got up, Monday morning blues. यहाँ पे हम लोग
Ma'am, time is written on the right side of the page.
what happened?
Ma'am, time is written on the right side of the page.
I have written right side. No. राइट साइड पे तुम लोगों को शो कर रहा है. एवरीथिंग आई हैव रिटन. अच्छा,
मैम लेफ्ट साइड पे शो कर रहा है. मैम लेफ्ट साइड पे शो कर रहा है.
It is on.
ओके. व्हेन आई गॉट अप मंडे मॉर्निंग ब्लूज एंड
आप बोलिएगा तो हमसे बात मत कीजिएगा.
व्हाट हैपेंड? किसकी माइक ऑन है और घर में झगड़ा कर रहा है? मेरे से बात मत कीजिएगा. बाद में इसको मैनेज कर लेना, किससे बात करनी है नहीं करनी. ओके. व्हेन आई गॉट अप मंडे मॉर्निंग ब्लूज मीन्स हाँ. एंड चलो मंडे मॉर्निंग ब्लूज रहने दूं या हटा दूं?
मैम हटा दीजिए.
डायरी एंट्री इंटरेस्टिंग है.
पूरा ही लाइन हटा रही हूँ. ओके. चलो. व्हेन आई गॉट अप, हाँ, व्हाट शुड बी रिटन ओवर हियर? टेल मी. I want this. It is diary entry, so it should be written by you people. When I got up, हाँ, ये भी हटा दूं? चलो. अब बता. Tell me. No one will say even a single line. I am deleting it out, everything. When I got up, I didn't want to go to school. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
PM भी ये हो गया. चलो. Everything, बस स्वामी रहने दो. स्वामी will be there and rest of the
मैम
things.
इसे आप स्नैप पे डाल देंगी?
हाँ, वो डाल दूंगी बाद में. फर्स्ट तो पहले डायरी हम लोगों को कंप्लीट करनी है ना. वी हैव नॉट रिटन. आई वांट दिस. ये डायरी एंट्री पे थोड़ा सा एक्चुअली आई वांट you people to write this. Okay, so may I write first line? When I got up, when I got up on Monday, no, today, not Monday. When I got up in the morning, in the को क्यों अंडरलाइन किया? 2 बार हो गया इसलिए अंडरलाइन. In the morning, I decided not to go to school. So I made an excuse of having headache. Is it? Is it correct? रहने दूं यहाँ तक? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So next line. Would you like to add, or I will have to add? Any sentence, anyone will?
My mother was convinced by me, but my father was not.
I managed to convince. I managed to convince my mother, but एक मिनट, but लिखना था ना. But my father became very angry when he came to know that I was not going to school. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Will someone add 1-2 line?
I tell my teacher. I told my father how my teacher was violent.
I told him that if I will go late to the school, my teacher will be
My teacher will punish
But
me. He will cane
listen,
me
listen.
and put
What is the question? Write a diary entry relating your experience with Samuel in the school. First, we have written these lines as introductory lines. Okay. So
Yes,
he
ma'am.
told Swami told his father that I told him that if I will go late to the school, Samuel will cane me and punish me.
नहीं तो हम लोग यहाँ पे देखो, when I got up in the morning, I decided not to go to school. So I made an excuse of having headache. I managed to convince my mother, but my father became very angry when he came to know that I was not going to school. So, हाँ, क्या था? I explained. I gave a lurid account of Samuel's violence and requested my father to allow me to.
मैम फादर का स्पेलिंग गलत है.
ओह अच्छा, एक मिनट.
और मैम वायलेंस और एंड में वो स्पेस
ये
देना
नहीं हुआ है, एक मिनट. एक हम स्टे एट होम. अभी रुको, यहाँ पे वायलेंस और एंड के बीच में स्पेस की जरूरत है. एंड फादर ओके. Instead of allowing me to stay at home, my father gave a letter against the teacher. हो गया यहाँ तक इंट्रोडक्शन. हाँ, नाउ अब डायरेक्ट हम लोग स्कूल की बात करेंगे. I was very much confused. I'm changing the paragraph. Next line. Some mistake is here. Okay. I was very much.
मैम आई और was के बीच में स्पेस होगा.
हाँ अच्छा ठीक है. I felt very sorry. I was very much confused नहीं लिखते हैं, चलो हटाओ. I felt very sorry for the teacher as I did not remember
डेट करेक्ट नहीं है.
अच्छा, डिड में दीदी हो गया वो.
Yes, ma'am.
दीदी का वो पता नहीं I didn't remember even one instance when Samuel had beaten any student.
मैम सैम्यूल हैड के बीच में स्पेस होगा
स्पेस होगा, हाँ, any student. ठीक है. I felt very sorry for the teacher as I didn't remember even one instance when Samuel had beaten any student.
Yes, ma'am.
I had to justify my father's letter. So I tried to I did my best. I did my best to irritate लिखूं या कुछ और लिखूं? Did my best to annoy
To make Samuel angry.
हाँ, annoy the teacher so that हाँ, so that he could beat me. I found it very difficult. I found it very difficult task होगा ना. I found it a very difficult task. I found it a very difficult task. As he was showing his concern about my headache. I felt I was very angry with my father. I was very